Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Badipet Yakatana Social Welfare uba appalling do habakran shakila pathai ko bor mata sni ka santarik nai wing arja arpusau ulaong baga Jingplie Biang ka sarkar banyat kali naga Surok them yo Mawlong kamdan Jingïadei Eiei bat ka Pynkynriah Ïaki Harijan naga te jaka ulaong baga Jingplie ka sarkar yakati ka Surok hadin handu snam balakhang kadai naga benta ban kham penduna naga Jingdheng kali hanong ba shilo.
I think it was a practical decision in view of the traffic congestion, the general inconvenience being caused to members of the general public for the past 6 years. I don't see any link between that and the resolution of the current imbroglio vis-a-vis the relocation of the sweepers. In fact, the signal being sent for the past 6 years is that things are not in order. That area is a trouble zone. But today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. You know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Mawlong has nothing to do with the resolution of the issue.
Thank you so
much. Yeah.